Okay, the next problem is a mixture problem. I should say this is one of the problems where I found much difficulty when I was still studying. So I hope you will be able to understand immediately. Unlike me before, when I was still studying, I really found mixture problem to be a very difficult type of word problem. May it be involving one variable or two variables. Okay. Until I was introduced to the use of tables in solving mixture problems, that's the time I already appreciated mixture problems. I hope you will also appreciate mixture problems like I do appreciate it now. Okay. The first mixture problem is a liquid mixture problem. Accordingly, a pharmacist needs 100 liters of 50% alcohol solution. He has on hand a 30% alcohol solution and an 80% alcohol solution which he can mix. How many liters of each solution should he use? So let us understand the problem first. If you are the pharmacist, you need a 50% alcohol solution. What you have is a 30% alcohol solution and an 80% alcohol solution. You don't have a 50% alcohol solution. So, what you need to do is to mix an alcohol solution of 30% acidity with another alcohol solution of 80% acidity in order to come up with an alcohol solution with a 50% acidity. And another thing that you have to consider is that the mixture must be 100 liters in all. Okay, so let's have a table. So, you have first column, solution. You have solution A, then solution B. That's for the 30% alcohol solution and 80% alcohol solution. The result should be a 50% alcohol solution. You have solution A, solution B, and then the mixture of the two solutions. This should have 4 rows. Second column is under the heading percent of acidity. Then you have the amount of solution. The amount of solution may be in liters, may be in milliliters. In this case, it's specifically stated to be in liters. So, the amount of solution that you need to, the amount of 30% solution that you need to mix with another solution of 80% acidity is unknown. So that should be X. On the other hand, the amount of solution for an 80% with an 80% acidity is Y. Okay, that's unknown. What you know is that when you do the mixture, the total mixture must be 100 liters. That's what you know. Okay. Because that is provided in the problem. Okay. The last column would be the amount of acid. Okay. The amount of acid. The amount of acid is actually obtained by multiplying the percent of acidity by the amount of solution. So, assuming that you are adding this, you're adding a number of liters for a 30% solution. So, the total amount of acid for solution A must be 30% of X or 0.3 X. Well, that of solution B is 0.8 Y. And then for the mixture, that's 50. 50% of 100 is 50. Okay. So, set up the equation now. X plus Y is equal to 100. Diba? Again, if you are the pharmacist, you need 100 liters of 50% alcohol solution. You don't know how many liters of solution A and how many liters of solution B you have to mix. But what you know is that the number of liters of solution A added with the number of liters of solution B must be equal to 100 liters. So X plus Y is equal to 100. Actually, this problem can be solved using one variable. In the same that the other problems may be solved also using one variable. Okay. But since our lesson is on systems of linear equations in two variables, you have to make use of two variables. Okay. In application to our present lesson. Next equation. 0.3x plus 0.8y. That's the amount of acid for solution A and solution B respectively. Okay, which is obtained by multiplying the percent of acidity by the amount of solution. Would be equal to 50, which is 50% of 100. That's equation number 2. Okay. Take notice of the numerical coefficients of the variables in the second equation. So 0.3x plus 0.8y. Well, for you to do away with decimals, you have to multiply both sides of the equation by 10. Ngayon na siya glow bat direct lang. So that's 3x plus 8y is equal to 500. X is equal to 100 minus y. Equation number 1. So 3. Substituting x is equal to 100 minus y to equation number 2. 3 times the quantity of 100 minus y plus 8y is equal to 500. Distribute 3 to the quantity of 100 minus y. 300 minus 3y plus 8y is equal to 500. Combine like terms. Subtract 300 to both sides of the equation. That's 5y is equal to 200. 200 is obtained by subtracting the numbers 500 and 300. Divide 5 to both sides of the equation. Therefore, y is equal to 40. 40 what? 40 liters. What does this mean? It means that for you to come up with a 100 liters of 50% alcohol solution, you need to have a 40 liters of solution B, which is a solution of 80% acidity. On the other hand, since x is equal to 100 minus y, so x is equal to 60 liters. Okay. Therefore, it means that you need to have 60 liters of 30% solution and 40 liters of 80% solution to come up with 100 liters of 50% alcohol solution. Okay. If you are to ask me, how do I do that in the lab? I don't know. But if you would ask me how to solve this problem, that I can answer. Okay. Kung usa po na siya nga solution, we also don't know. Again, there should be 60 liters of 30% alcohol solution and 40 liters of 80% alcohol solution to be mixed in order to come up with 100 liters of 50% alcohol solution.